Hi and welcome to this course. In this video, we are going to talk about two important settings, and these two are the most important settings. So just hover over settings and then click on permalinks. And what does this even mean? Well, to show you, I will go to this blog post and I will refresh it. And now look at the link. Look at the link of my post. Here is my site address, so localhost slash tech savvy, and then the year and then the date and then the post name. I don't like this. I want my blog post URL to be my site name and then my post. So how can I change this? Well, you can just click on this post name and then the entire setting will change. Now you can see that it will contain the localhost, so the URL of the website localhost slash tech savvy, and then the URL of your post. So just click on save changes, and now if you go back to your home page and if you click on any of the post, I will click on this first post, then you can see that the URL structure has changed. Now it is your site name and then the post URL or the post slug. If you want a different structure, if you want a day and name, you can do that as well. If you want a numeric, then you can do that as well, but I actually like this post name. But there is one more thing which I want to show you. So just click on the custom structure here and remove this one first. Now suppose you have a lot of posts, right? You have hundreds and hundreds of posts and you want your category, right? So you want your category in your URL link. Then what you can do is you can click on this category and then click on this post name. So what will happen is that the URL structure will change and the category, the slug of the category will be there in the URL. Let me show you what I mean. So I will click on save changes and then I will go back to this tech savvy website, the home page, and then I will click on this first post. And now you can see that the slug of the category is present in the URL, and this is also good. If you prefer this structure, if you prefer this URL structure, then you can go with this one, your category slug and then the post slug, but I actually will go with this post name. So I will click on save changes and the changes will be saved. So again, go back to your home page and then click on the post. Here we go, and this is good for me. All right. Now I scroll down, this is optional, we don't need to worry about this, and then click on this privacy one. And this is a new setting. It did not exist earlier. So this came up with the 5th version of WordPress, which is WordPress 5. Here you can create a new privacy page or you can select a privacy page which you have already created. Now we have created a privacy page, but I'm not going to select that one. Why? Well, because we have just written some dummy content in it. If you have written some real privacy page content, if you have written some real privacy policy content, then you can select that page. If you already have one, then you can select it like this, and then you can click on this use this page. What I am going to do is I am going to click on this create, and WordPress will automatically generate a privacy policy page. As you can see here, WordPress has automatically generated a privacy policy page. You can read it and then you can edit it if you have any confusion. If you want to change some things, you can do that. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to just click on publish. So I will click on publish and then publish, and then I will go back to my site and then I will delete the previous privacy policy page. So this is the previous one and this is the one which we just created, which WordPress created for us. So I will delete this one. So click on trash and then I will go to trash and then I will delete this permanently and then go to all, and here you can see that this is our privacy policy page. WordPress has selected this privacy policy page to be our privacy policy page. Now this is really confusing. Just understand that WordPress has selected this one page, this page, as the privacy policy page. Okay. All right, now let's just go to the setting and then click on privacy, and now you will see this privacy policy is automatically selected by the WordPress, which WordPress just created for us, and we have a new privacy policy page. and I just click on this privacy policy link and you can see it right here. Alright, so in this entire section we talked about settings, we talked about general settings, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks and privacy. And in the next section we are going to learn about user. So I'll see you there. Bye.